racing with collectibles and stuff. As I said in the teaser, I will be bringing you a fix for the Juggernog mini fridge collectible edition Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I did a little bit of testing before to make sure that, that is the problem, and it was the problem. So what I do here, I will go ahead and switch over to the fridge, and I will show you what to look for. All right, so in the next clip I will go ahead and show you what it is. So here's the fridge here. So as you can see, I think what they did, and don't mind my studio, I'm now putting it together, but this was a major video that I had to put out now. So I'm still putting together my studio here, my YouTube studio. So I'm still putting it together, so excuse the mess in the background, but look at this. So so this is the fridge here, and the original AC adapter that came with this fridge, it's faulty. So I will show you what will happen if you have a faulty AC adapter, and also I will show you what to look for, because it makes like a high-pitched sound if you have like a faulty AC adapter, and I thought it was the electronics inside. So yeah, so I will show you what to look for. So I'll just rest the camera here, and let me just fix this here. All right, so go back here. So this is, and also I will put the links in the description, so that way you can fix it yourself. It's an easy fix, but at this time you want to pull these screws out and clean the fan that's back here, so while you're waiting on it. So what you can do is I plug, this is the original one here, so when you plug this in, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but the light is still coming on. But if you listen to it, you hear like I'll put the camera up here, you hear like a high-pitched sound. So that is what you will be experiencing when you have a faulty AC adapter. So I'll unplug this. This is the original adapter here. This is no good. Some of you might have good ones, but these are the culprit right here. So you can go on Amazon and buy one of these, and I'll put a link in the description where you could find it. So I already have it plugged on already. So I'm gonna plug it in, and you hear the fan kick on. That's a good sign. Hear the fan? And also too, the light comes on, and I'm just gonna fix the camera here. The light comes on, its effects comes on too. So there you have it. There you have it. And if you have one of these fridge, it's the AC adapter that's the problem. AC adapter, that's the problem. So that's it. So I'm gonna just switch over the camera. So yeah. So that's the problem with these mini fridge. Is that the AC adapter that they send to and the original AC adapter that they send with the fridge, it's faulty. Some of you might have good ones, and most of you probably will have bad ones. So that's the issue. So I will put a link down in the description to show you where to get one of these, and that way you can have a working fridge, because I'm happy that I have one. I could leave that in my studio with some chilled drinks, and we could have a good time for more podcasting and everything. So also too, if you purchase one of these with the link that I have, it will help out the channel greatly, and I will appreciate that. So so let's all get juggernogging right here. Peace out. Take it easy.